Seedance 2.0 just dropped in China, and the results? They look absolutely unreal. And right now, people all over the internet are asking one question. How can I try Seedance 2.0 myself? In this video, I'll show you 3 real websites where you can use it. The first website is Geek. When you open it, you'll see multiple AI tools. Seedance 2.0 is inside the video generation section, but there is one limitation. You must sign in using a TikTok account. In some countries, TikTok is restricted or blocked. If that's your case, let me show you the second option. The second website is Douban. This website will not open outside China. To access it, you need a VPN. My suggestion is Windscribe VPN. This VPN is available for mobile devices and also for PC and laptop devices. After installation, connect the VPN with Hong Kong location. Then open the website. Now you should not see any region error. To generate a video type, create a video using Seedance 2.0. Then specify duration, resolution, your prompt, and lastly press enter. Now wait 1 to 3 minutes and your video will appear in the chat. If you like this kind of practical breakdown, subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos. The last website is Video Inu. Open the website and tap the register button. Enter your nickname and email address. If you want to know which email service I use, watch this previous video. After registration, tap on the Seedance 2.0 banner. Here you will see 2 models, one free and one paid. If you want faster generation, choose the paid model. Otherwise, select the free model. Enter your prompt and click the generate button. Wait a few minutes for the video generation to complete.
2,000 years later.
All the website links are available on Telegram. I'll see you in the next video.